Camaro Pacesetter days mean sure savings at your Chevrolet dealers. Chevrolet's Camaro, official pace car for this year's Indianapolis 500. The pace-setting Camaro. Lower, wider, roomier, heavier than any car at its price. And special savings now during the Camaro Pacesetter sale. Convertible or sport coupe, specially equipped with a 250 cubic inch engine, bumper guard, pinstriping along the side, white wall tires and wheel covers, wheel opening molding, deluxe steering wheel and special interior trim. And at no extra cost during the sale, a floor-mounted shift for the 3-speed transmission and this sporty hood stripe. See your Chevrolet dealer now. Find out how much driving fun you get along with special savings during the Camaro Pacesetter sale.